Hello, this is how I made the grape 3D model, or recreated it. Saw this video about the thing from Lego Star Wars. I always saw it and I didn't know what it was, and I found out that it was a grape. Here's the original image. It's from some random game that they made before Lego Star Wars. Here's the Blender file. Yeah, I just recreated it because I wanted to, and I had Blender on my computer. Yeah, here it is. Here it is again. Just giving you, just showing you. Here it is again. Anyways, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed. Glad I could recreate it in a modern 3D modeling software.